South Lane is a place that is dependent on the dump that is in St. Thomas. A lot of people here who live here, and some of them make them living on the dump. So we're just here with some of the people and we want to know, could the children in this community not be on the PATH program? On what basis could they have been taken off the PATH program? So I made this video on the PATH to come down to this community and analyze every single house in this community so that the children can participate in school, not going to school for the necessary amount of time, because most have not been given the opportunity to be on PATH. So making another call for PATH to come and register the children in this community so that they